Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to enable or turn on macros in Microsoft PowerPoint. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all I have to do is open up PowerPoint and select the File tab up in the top left. And then on the left panel, go down and select Options. And now select where it says Trust Center on the left panel, and then select the Trust Center Settings button right here. And underneath macro settings, you can enable all macros, or you can also select the disable all macros with notification. If you just want to get notified, then you can allow them on a case-by-case basis, or you can enable all macros, or you can disable all macros except for just digitally signed ones. So you have different options here, and then you would just select OK to save it, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.